Hello there, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Jacob, founder Digital Swap. So if this is the very first time of visiting my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, then hit the like button if you like this video, and don't fail to turn on post notification by clicking on the bell icon so as to be the very first person to be notified when next I drop subsequent videos. So quickly, I want to show you how to partake on Kaplan Finance token Presale. All right, so before I proceed, I like to disclaim that this video is basically made for educational purpose and it is not a financial advice. So if you are looking for someone to advise you on what crypto assets to invest in, make sure you kindly see your financial advisor. He will be the right person to tell you what crypto assets to invest in and what not to invest in. All right, so one of the advantages of partaking on pre-sales on any cryptocurrency project you see out there is that you stand a chance of buying the crypto assets at a discounted rate during the pre-sale. So once it is launched, you don't have to hold it for a long time before making profit from it, because the token was being sold during the pre-sale at a discounted rate, and once it is being launched, then you've made some profit already. All right, according to Kaplan Finance, they stated on their Telegram channel that they are going to be listed tomorrow. They are going to be live tomorrow on PancakeSwap. So it's I think it's a great deal of privilege for you to partake in their pre-sale. All right, so in order to buy the pre-sale, these are the following crypto assets you need in order to partake. All right, you can use BTC, you can use Ethereum, you can use USDC, you can use Litecoin, you can use DAI, which is a stable coin, you can use Bitcoin Cash. All right, they are using Coinbase payment gateway, which is synonymous to any other payment gateways like Stripe, Flutterwave, Paystack, you can name it. So once you click to buy, all right, once you click to buy, you'll be taken to a page where you select which of the crypto assets you want to use. So in this context, I recommend you use Litecoin, because with Litecoin you are only going to spend less than $1 to send like up to $100 worth of Litecoin, and their transaction is very fast. Much said, let's go into practical. All right guys, so this is how to partake in Kaplan Finance token presale. All right, so you click on buy. When you click on buy, you input your details. Then since the minimum amount of Kaplan you can buy is $50, you input $50. If it is $1,000 you want to buy, you type $1,000, any amount you want to buy. So in this tutorial, I want to buy with just $50 being the minimum. All right, so I've inputted $50. So the next thing for me to do is to proceed to Coinbase. Okay, this does not mean that you must have an account with Coinbase. All you have to do is to make sure that you have the particular coin you want to use in buying Kaplan ready before you get to this point. All right, so I have my Litecoin ready, so I want to choose. I'm going to click on show more, then I'll click on Litecoin. Then I'm going to copy this wallet. I'll first of all copy the amount of Litecoin I want to send. Then I will go to my Trust wallet. I'll go to my Trust wallet. Then this is the Litecoin in my wallet. I'm going to click on send. Then I'm going to choose Litecoin. Then I'm going to paste the amount of Litecoin I want to send, which I copied. That is a dollar equivalent is 50.37. Then I'm going to come back to the website. Then I'm going to copy the wallet address of Kaplan, the Litecoin wallet address of Kaplan. I'm going to click on paste. Then I'm good to go. I'll click on continue. then I'll click on send. So I've been able to send Litecoin to Kaplan Litecoin wallet address. So the transaction is currently pending, and there is a timer here which is 2 minutes. All right, so once, I don't know, let's just see what will happen. Okay, yeah, it means once this thing is confirmed, they are going to send my Kaplan token to my wallet, the wallet address I imputed. So I'm going to impute my email address. So they are going to send a receipt to me. All right, wow. This is awesome. So it has been confirmed, and this is it. This is my wallet address where they are going to send my token. All right, so let me see how long it's going to take them for them to send me my 50 million worth of Kaplan token. Yo, you guys are quite amazing. Thank you so much for spending this time to go through this video. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe right now. If you are yet to give me a thumbs up, make sure you do that right away. If you are yet to turn on post notification, make sure you turn on post notification so that you will be the very first person to be notified next time I drop another video. All right, I will see you next time. Goodbye.